You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this flavor from Starbucks. It's also a coffee name if you want to learn more coffees and confusing vocabulary. Stay tuned. English pronunciation, vanilla, vanilla. The second word comes from French, crème, meaning cream. In English, vanilla crème, or some say it as crème as well, vanilla crème, or a little closer to the French pronunciation, vanilla crème. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.